It's not exactly, it's going to open up like this, which is a little bit harder to break it up. I would go like this. Again, I'm in Chrome, so it might look a little different. In Safari, I think the arrow is actually down below. If I download this to my desktop, okay, it says format, it's in a PDF file format. So if I press save, okay, I'm just going to minimize this, and I have this right here. Now I downloaded it twice. But you see how I could see each individual page over here now? That's kind of what you want. If I just want to, let's say I just want this first page, I would make a copy of this. I would say File, and do you see how it says Save? I'm going to hold down on my Option key on my Mac and do a Save As, and just call it like, I'm just going to call this like page 1. So I'll call it Free Reading Comp Check, and I'll just call it page 1. Because I still want that original one. You might want to use other pages. Again, this is a little long-winded, but if I press save right here, okay, so I saved that. It's a different file now. I still have the original file still on my desktop. So I have one called page 1, one called comprehension check. So if I don't want the rest of those pages, I could just delete those. I could just go back to this one that I made now, delete those pages. Or if I want, maybe I want this one right here in the middle. Like you could delete the one in the middle, and you just get rid of the rest of these. And then when you're in Google Classroom, you're going to put like this page. So maybe I could say maybe I'd rename this I Can Read and Draw or something. But then you would just take that PDF and upload that one. But that's an easy way to do that. I mean, you could do that multiple times. You could say, hey, you know what? I'm going to go back to this original file again, and I'm going to use page 3 of it or something. So I just go back here, open it back up again, and be like, you know what? I also want to use this one right here. So I'm just going to do File. Again, you just gonna make sure you save it as a different one, especially if this is your original. Like, so make a copy of it, and always make sure you make a copy of it. Again, maybe I want to call this like page 3 or something. But you get the idea. I think you could just go back here and like, you know what? I really like this. Let's Connect. I'm gonna delete the rest of these. You don't have to put tags on it. I'm sorry there. But so if I just wanted this page right here, I could delete the rest of these. I'm just clicking on them. Oops, accidentally. I just hit Command Z to get that back. But you get the idea. You could go here and, whoops, I keep deleting the original. So you might want to go to the end. It would probably be easier. But you could select each one of these, and hopefully that helps. Again, now I'm in Chrome. It looks a little bit different in Safari, but similar. And that's how you could easily do that. And then once you're done, like, oh, I really like, let's say that's the page that I really want my second one to be there, page 2. I'm just going to, that's on my desktop. I could easily just drag that right into my Drive, or I could drag it directly into my Google Classroom from there. Now, this is not an editable PDF. I mean, most kids do know how to edit a PDF. If they just went in here and just did this markup, they can go here and write right on top of here. But again, I'm hoping this is kind of what you wanted. You could have opened this in Google Docs as well and changed it. So